My company is called Guildform, and we help jewelry businesses and fashion companies grow with our manufacturing facility that's located here in Detroit and our on-demand web application. Incorporating technology into your workflow, such as 3D printing, as well as computer-aided design within your design process is really fundamental in being able to create your ideas much faster and then bring them to market in a way that is competitive and in a way that is compelling. And then also, being able to meet trends where they are and meet your customers where they are. I created with my team a 30-piece collection and brought that collection to market fully finished and assembled in 6 days. There would be, no other way to do this without this technology. We are really making an impact, and I'm super excited to continue that within the fashion industry and jewelry industry as a whole.